A Farandole music module file takes you deep into the early DOS tracker music scene, chiptune compositions crafted note by note. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play or convert this classic tracker music file. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for FRW problems. See below for my top choice. FRW files are music module files created by Farandole Composer, a DOS-based music tracker from the 1990s. They contain sequence note patterns, instrument samples, and playback instructions in a compact tracked format popular in the demoscene community. Farandole FRW files use a proprietary tracker format, storing PCM instrument samples pattern data and sequence order lists. They support up to 16 channels with individual volume and panning settings, optimized for Sound Blaster-compatible audio hardware. Essential file access for FRW relies upon the utility Farandole from AdLib Inc. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows gives you quick listening access, but expert-level editing requires dedicated audio suites. Your first step towards recovery. Right-click the FRW file and choose Open With. If Farandole is an option, select it first. Otherwise, try another tool from the list. Compatibility is key. When your FRW file does not open, it is usually a small issue. This FRW format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, playing the file. Download and install OpenMPT or XMPlay, which both support legacy tracker formats, including FRW files. Open the FRW file directly through File, then open to begin playback of the tracked music composition with full channel visualization. Next, converting to modern formats. Use OpenMPT to load the FRW file, then export it as WAV or MP3 via file. Then export as lossless or lossy format. Adjust the sample rate and bit depth and export settings to match your desired output quality before conversion. Finally, editing the composition. Open the FRW file in OpenMPT to view and edit individual patterns, instruments, and sequence data. Save your modifications in the IT or XM format for broader compatibility with modern tracker software and music production workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.